Everyone, JaLingo's word of the week this week is Wagwan. This simply means what's going on or what's up. It is a popular informal expression used on the island, and it is a form of greeting. You may hear the term Wagwan in a situation such as this. Wagwan brother, everything good? And that means, what's up brother or bro, all is well. A second example is, Wagwan Kevin, what you deal with? And that means, what's good Kevin, what are you up to? Related words, what you deal with? Which means, what are you dealing with? What's good? Or what you say? Which means, what are you saying or what's new? Remember to download the exclusive JaLingo app from the iOS App Store if you want to see more words, proverbs, or expressions. Also, click on the download links in the description box below. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.